Hey everyone, this is Antoine from Crisp, and today we're going to review Chatbot and how, thanks to Chatbot, you can easily enrich user profile to enhance your customers' knowledge. So once you've reached the bot feature in the plugin section, just create a new blank scenario and add your first event, which will be a user message matches. You will add a star, which means that it will trigger on every incoming messages from the user side. Apply change, then add an action which will be a show compose action to make it more human-like. Then add a message saying, hey, how can I help you? I'm Crispy, the chatbot here at Crisp. You apply change. Then you add another action which will be an input field because we want to enrich the user profile, right? So thanks to this, you'll need to create an identifier, which here will be full name, okay? Then who am I talking with this is the question, and the input placeholder will be an example. So, for example, Mike Stewart. You apply change, and then you add another event, which will be the message action. Okay, thanks to this event, we are able to catch the user data. This will be the field, as we just had a field message action earlier. You make it trigger on everything and memorize as a full name. Then you had an action block which will be set user nickname that will use a data from a memory key that we just created, which is full name. Okay, then you just have to save draft, and you can start again with another data that you would like to have, for example, the email. So you had another input field. So it will be email, right? Can I get your email too? So let's add an example. So for example, let's add an example. So would be you apply change. Once again, you had a message action that will catch the user data. So it's a field, right? You make it match with everything and memorize as email. Then you add another action, which will be the set user email and from memory key email. Like that, it works for every new customer that is incoming and wanting to chat with you as a customer. So let's have a look at that. So first, give your name, and then your email. And that's it. And how you can find this data? Well, it's quite easy. You just have to go to contacts and look for the information that you just got. As you can see, it's quite simple to enrich the user profile thanks to Crisp Chatbot. So now it's up to you to create your own process so that you can automate the user knowledge.